Thank you so much. And I hope, I've been given very less time. I mean, it's about only 15 minutes where I have to cover a lot of things. I'll just, without wasting any time, I'll just quickly start my presentation. Myself, Prashant Sinha, I'm the co-founder and Chief Revenue Officer at Metadome. And at Metadome, we are enabling brands to shift to virtual commerce and be ready for Metaverse, right? So primarily we are focused, although our technology is sector agnostic, but we are more focused towards automotive and the face. When I talk about face, it's the cosmetic industry, you know. So I'll quickly run you through the slides. So as any other brand, we also have the vision. We are driven by creating an immersive layer to enable virtual commerce across categories. And our mission is to empower 2 billion users on our platform to use Metaverse by 2023. I've been part of different sessions which happened here. And what I came to know that everybody's talking about immersive tech, everybody's talking about AR, VR headset right now. And what I'm gonna talk is how to enable brands to be ready for virtual commerce, right? So as I said, I'm an automobile guy, and though we focused on automobile, I'm an automobile guy, and I used to work with one of the auto German brand, and I was taking care of marketing there. And my challenge was how to engage the customer, the prospective buyers who are coming on my website or on my digital touch points. And that's where, we used to spend a lot of dollars, millions of dollars to bring the traffic on our website, but how to engage them, how to ensure that they spend good amount of time on our website. That's the challenge being faced by most of the auto OEMs. So that's where, we thought of engaging the customer. We thought of giving an immersive experience or metaverse experience, which will definitely gonna have more time spent by the user, more engagement. If you have more engagement on your platform, of course, chances of the user or the customer or the prospective buyer taking your brand into their consideration goes really, really high. So I'm gonna play a video where we have created the Metaverse Experience. And as you can see, you can create your own avatar right here, and the avatar will resemble your persona. You can get inside the virtual showroom or Metaverse showroom. I can have the sales consultant right here, and you can also interact with the sales consultant inside the showroom. You can have a walk around in the showroom. You can experience each and every car or each and every bike available in the Metaverse showroom. And not only that, you can interact with the car right here. As you can change the color, you can open the boot, you can open the doors, you can interact with the car. And that's where the engagement goes really high. And that's where, the time spent by the user goes really, really high on your platform. So as you can see that your avatar or the user avatar is, of course, trying to experience the car, trying to experience the product more. And that's where, the engagement level goes really, really high. Yeah. And not only that, once the user has configured the car, he can also go for a virtual test drive. And as you can see, the photorealism 3D asset which is there inside, it is looking like a real car. And if you don't wish to go to a showroom, you can have this experience sitting at the comfort of your house, right? You can see the kind of photorealism it brings on in the Metaverse environment, the interiors, exteriors. and everything. Not only that, you can also give a voice command to the virtual car, and the car will act accordingly. You can also augment the same car using augmented reality just on your smartphone, through your smartphone, and view in AR, and you can augment the real size car in the environment. Let me tell you one thing very important here, that this is everything happening is on the web. It's not that you have to download a very heavy file or app, and everything is happening on the web platform through web AR. And as I said that you can take the virtual test drive also. I'll show you how the virtual test drive will happen, where the car will gimmick or simulate the real-time physics. When I say real-time physics, that means whatever the car has to offer, like from the EBD to ASR to the ABS to maybe the tire pressure or whatever the feature the car has to offer. While taking a virtual test drive, you can actually see how the car behaves or what it has to offer before you land up in a physical showroom. Study says that on an average, a car buyer spends around 10 to 15 hours before he lands up in a physical showroom. So if a brand is not able to engage them while he is spending good amount of time going on the digital touch point of the brand, it is very tough for the brand to hold that customer, right? So 62% of chances the brand will end up losing that customer. That is a proven fact. So that's where the immersive tech, what Metadome is trying to help automotive brands to engage the customer more, because I come from an automobile background. I was heading marketing, and I know for sure that if I'm not able to engage the customer for a longer period of time, 62% or 70% that customer I lose, and I'll not get the qualified leads. Not only that, so this was one of the cases with the automotive. What I'm also trying to explain here through our platform, through our technology, that right now we spend, or the brands spend, millions of dollars on Google and Facebook, right? What you get is a normal, simple, static banner ad or a GIF ad. How about if the same ad which you're seeing, or the sponsored ad, has the immersiveness or interactiveness into it? So I'll just play the video right here. We have done something with Facebook platform where your ad will come and the user will be able to interact with the banner ad or the sponsored ad right there on the platform. I'll tell you the reason why, because on an average, we consider 0.5 to 1% click-through ratio to be very good, But that is coming on a on a static image or a GIF image. How about if we give the experience right there on the banner ad or right there on this sponsored ad? It will definitely go to up to 8 to 10 times more. So that's where the dollar value spent on marketing or digital marketing will yield you more qualified and more mature leads right here. Everything happening on your timeline, on the sponsored ad, on the Facebook, where you can not only see but interact with the car. You can open the gate, you can see the interiors just on the movement of your mouse or maybe the joystick. So that's the integration with Facebook. I'll quickly, in the interest of the time, I'll quickly move to what we have done with Google. Similarly, like Facebook ads, we have the interactive, immersive integration of XR experience in the Google Display Network ad, where we have done it with one of the brand which is very big in India, which is a eyewear brand, and one of the I would say they have more than 3 million experiences like this. So I'll just And we do have the virtual try-on for the cosmetic industries. Similarly, with Google, you can have the virtual try-on right there on the banner ad. And as you can see, the girl is trying to apply all the cosmetics from lipstick shades to eyeliner to mascara to everything right there happening on the Google banner GDN ad itself. So that's how we're trying to empower brands to yield maximum out of their marketing or digital marketing spend, because every brand spending a lot of money, a lot of dollars to bring the traffic or to engage the customer, to show them their ads and all. So how about making it interactive right there on the GDN, on the Google banner ad? So that's how it is. It's already there with Google and Facebook, but there is a limitation of size, compression, and the output, of course, and interactivity. You can't have all the interactivity right there. So we talked about the integration of our platform in automotive space, where we are bringing the Metaverse experience. We talked about how to integrate the immersive tech or XR integration on web with Facebook and Google Ads. And now it's like our technology is also omnichannel. When I say omnichannel, across different touch points. So everything what I demoed right here was a web-based thing, be it the web AR or the Metaverse experience was web-based through render streaming technology. Now I'm going to show something which is like at the in-store, where you have the similar kind of experience in-store. So this is with one of the largest home decor brands called Asian Paints in India. And this is the kind of immersive user journey where from the registration to the immersive and AR and VR experience, immersive experience, to enable the customer to spend more time in the showroom. And that's where he's more defined, he's more, I would say he's more confident about his purchase. So that's it. Since I had very limited time to present, and I would like to thank to AWE for having me here and giving an opportunity to present in front of all of you. So I'll keep it short and simple, and thank you so much. If you have any question, I'm happy to answer it.
All right, thank you so much. Yes, let's get some questions going. There's microphones on both sides inside the aisle. And who's got a hot burning question about this amazing technology? I love that demo with the automotive. That was incredible. Here we go.
Hi, I have one question about the demo with the car. How easy it's to generate this content from point of view, how fast you can extend that to other cars? I mean, to open the doors and all these functionalities. Mm-hmm. How is it as a content creator to do that?
Yeah, so we have our own patented AR engine and 3D engine. So let's say for a brand which has got 10 models, it's about 7 days to 8 days we are able to give the same experience with all the functionalities, with all the variants, everything. Because we have a patented technology platform which has every functionality right there. So all we need is the 3D asset from the brand. And even if the 3D asset is not there with the brand, then we take the photo shoot and 360 photo shoot, and we develop the 3D asset, which may delay it for another 3 or 4 days. Yeah.
Great, thank you.
Any other question? Yeah, so thank you so much. If you don't have any question, we are there at booth 313 to know more and to experience it, how we are helping the brands, especially auto and beauty brands. You can always visit us. We are happy to host you there. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.